Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Betty Davis Eyes by Carnes. Let's take a listen. All right, I'm having a blast this week doing these 80s songs. So much fun. Guys, welcome to our online piano community at WebPianoTeacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. That's what I'm going to help you to do today. All right, let's get to it. So picking the right lessons, you can't go wrong picking a song like this. It's fun. The only reason it would be a wrong choice is if it was too hard for you. All right. If you're a beginner, you got to play beginner stuff. This is sort of in the beginner realm. So if you're near that beginner stage, you might be able to handle this one. But it's better to play a lot of things that are on your level, that are pretty easy, than it is to try one or two songs that are just really challenging, okay? So just take that tip from me. I guarantee it'll make your life a lot better, and you'll learn music a lot better, and you'll have a lot more fun. All right, so if you're a member of the website, you can download the sheets for this. I teach the whole thing. We're going to do the part one right here, right now. So let's get to it. I have a Kawai MP11 SE in the studio. I love the action on this thing. I love the sounds. Love everything about it. I am using, you could tell I wasn't using a piano sound. I'm using one of the sound bank sounds. It is A3. It's called Super T Dreams. And I modified it a little bit. I pushed a couple of buttons over here to get it exactly like I wanted it. So I think it's pretty close. Maybe it's not exactly, but that's all right. Okay, so get something close and then have fun. I'm going to switch to piano right now because I know a lot of you just have pianos at home, acoustic piano. And it's a little bit easier to teach if I have that piano sound. Okay, so let's get going here. In the left hand, I have B flat, and then I go to D, and then to C. Now you can do octaves. Octaves just mean playing two notes here instead of just one. You can do one if you need to do that. If you need to simplify it a little bit, you can just go B flat, D, C down here. Here's middle C, the next C, the next C. If you can do it, I like B flat, D, and then C. I even like, for you more advanced players, put a fifth in the middle, B flat, F, B flat. Then D, A, D, C, G, C, just according to your skill level. Okay? So that's the left hand. Get used to moving that distance, or just a single note if that's what you're doing. Now the right hand, we have F on the thumb right below middle C, and then fifth finger will go to F, and then C in the middle with your third finger, and then a B flat with your second finger, and then F on your thumb again, then A, then a D with your fifth finger, and then G, C, that open fifth sound. Okay, hear that open fifth? If you played a C chord just normally, you'd have an E in there, but that kind of changes it, doesn't it? That doesn't sound good, as good as what we're used to, that open fifth sound. All right, now if I go slowly, putting my hands together. Now where do I pedal? I'm going to pedal each of those bass notes on the left hand. Pedal, pedal, pedal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you count to 4 at least in your head, or you'll cheat that measure, not give it enough time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the next one. If you compare them, they're the same, except when I get to the D, I'm going to go A, D, F on the right hand instead of F, A, D. A, D, F with 1, 3, 5. Now that is still a D minor chord. D minor has the notes D, F, A in it. So it's just a different inversion, we call it. A, D, F, 1, 3, 5. Now this time we do have that E in there I was talking about over here. The first time we have that open fifth sound, and then we add the E next time. G, C, E, left hand on a C there. So that second one is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you would do it again. Now when you practice it, Okay, a lot of you have to remind you of this. It's not enough just to say it once. I got to keep reminding you because we all need to hear the same things over and over because we all learn the same way. We really do. You have to take small bits and you have to work on those small bits over and over. All right? So it's like, when you're going to eat for the day, you don't eat everything at breakfast, right? You eat some, then maybe a snack, and you have lunch, snack, and then dinner. If you, like me, have 2 or 3 snacks in between each meal. But the point is you don't eat it all at once. You digest a certain amount, and then you take a break, and then you come back later. That's the idea here. You want a little bit. Get it down. Repeat. Good repetitions, not sloppy repetitions, not repetitions where you go fast and miss the notes. Okay? Slow enough to where you can get it right, I always say. And then you work on that section, and then you put them together. You work on this section, get them great separately, and then you put them together. Okay? So that's how you need to practice, not just this part, the whole thing. All right? Let's get back to the board. I'll play a little bit more. I'm going to switch back to this fun sound on the kawaii here, and we're going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2 times. See the 2 there in my bracket? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so there is the part 1, the intro. And of course, we do the whole thing on webpianoteacher.com. I love that you can download the sheets if you're a member because you can zoom in and then you don't see all the rest of it and go, oh no, how am I ever going to do that? You just look at this part and you work on just this part. Your eyes only see the part you're working on for today, and then you can zoom out a little bit as you learn more and more and really feel yourself accomplishing something every day. Set yourself up for success, okay? Don't be so hard on yourself. We're all too hard on ourselves, I think. All right, guys, I'll see you on the website. I hope you enjoyed this part 1. Talk to you later.